Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem statement, that is sequence. This is problem number 392 of easy category. So we have given two string S and T. So we have to check whether this S is subsequence of T or not. If it is subsequence, then we just have to return true, or else we have to return false. Now, what does this subsequence means? So for an example, the given value for S is A, B, and C. Now the given value for T, that is A, H, B, G, D, C. If you will see in T, these characters are there A, B, and C. But all these characters are in sequence. So for this case, we will return true. Similarly, in the another example, we have AXC. So if you will see in T, we have A and C, but we don't have X. So in this case, we have to just return false. So let me quickly jump to the board and we will discuss what approach we have to follow in order to solve this. So the first thing what we have given is this given string A, B, and C. So let me quickly write it here like A, B, and C. For this, the index will start from 0, 1, and 2. Okay, this is, let's consider the value of I. Another, the value of T is A, H, B, G, D, and C. So for this, let's consider the index is J, and it will again start from 0th position and it will go up to the length minus 1, that is 5. Now what we have to do, we just have to compare the character. In this case, the character is same, so both I and J will increment. So I will come at this position and J will come at this position. Now again it will compare the character. The character is not matching, so what it will do, it will simply increment the value of J. J will come at this position. The character is matching, so I will come at this position, J will come at this position. No character is not matching, so only J will increment, I will remain at its own place. Now again D and C, it will try to compare, it will not, it is not same, so again J will increment, and at the end we'll see C and C is same, so both I and J will increment. So the value of I will be 3 and the value of J will be 6. At the end, what we have to do, we just have to see whether the value for this I and the length of S, if it is same, then we will return true, or else we will return false. So let me jump to the LeetCode compiler and we will write the code for the same. Okay, so the first thing what we have to do, like if by any chance the length of T is less than the length of S, in that case we will simply return false. So let me write this one. It will return from here itself false. There is no sense of going ahead. I am declaring one variable called I is equals to 0, the same thing which we have discussed. Another one, J is again 0. Now this condition will go up to where if the value of I is less than S dot length, at the same time the value of J is less than T dot length. Okay. Now after that, what we have to do, we just have to compare the values. So for that, what we will do, if S dot char at of I, if it is equal to T dot char at of J, if it is same, then what will happen, I value along with J value, J will increment every time, so I'm keeping it outside the loop. And at the end, what we have discussed, if the value of I is equal to the length of S, then we just have to return true or else false. So it will be I is equal to S dot length. Okay, so let me quickly, this should be length method. Okay, so let me quickly execute this code and we'll see whether it's working properly or not. So both the test cases passed successfully. Let me submit this solution. Okay, so all 22 test cases passed successfully. So this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve this problem statement. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.